this is Airbrush, and let's see what's inside. Oh my god, this is really nice. Actually, I was looking for flowering the edible flower and all. So this is basically motor which you can have a plug-in over here and charge it over, and this is a, you can hear the sound. Okay, this is the press button to spray the color. Okay, next thing, one couple of charger and a color sprayer bottle where you can keep colors, and this is a dropper where pick up the color and select the color which you want right now. Okay, let me see. Oh, this is a pen. Okay, let me fix it. This way. Do it carefully. Do it carefully, like this. Put it like this. Okay. Done. You don't have to do anything at all. So this is basically a sprayer which comes with the motor, and here is the sprayer, and this side you keep this water bottles. This thing will go over there. This is a charger, USB cable, and it's really nice. Look, like to check whether it is working or not, LED light is given over here so that you get to know that this charger is working. Fine, that's it. This is nice one, and put it like this over here. Basically you do is like drop a color and put it over here. That's it. Then use it. That's it. This is chargeable and really nice. Its price is amazing. 3,500 only. Thank you for watching.